How can I find my bank account number online?
Hello and welcome. In today's digital age, managing and accessing our bank information online has become incredibly convenient. We're here to help you understand how you can find your bank account number online safely and efficiently.
Why do you need your bank account number?
First things first, let's understand why we need our bank account number. This unique number is essential for many financial transactions, such as setting up direct deposit, transferring money, or paying bills online. Knowing how to find it quickly and easily can save you time and effort when handling your finances.
What precautions should I take?
Before we start, it's crucial to remember to take appropriate security measures when accessing your bank account online. Use a secure network, keep your login credentials confidential, and make sure you're accessing the correct and legitimate banking site to prevent any potential fraud.
Accessing your bank account online.
Now, let's dive into the main part of our video, which is about finding your bank account number online. Step 1. Go to your bank's website. Ensure it's the legitimate site of your bank. Step 2. Log in to your online banking account. You'll typically do this with your username or registered email and password. Step 3. Look for an option like Account Details or Account Information. The exact wording will depend on your bank. Step 4. Find your account number. Once you've opened your account details, your account number should be listed there. Please note that the steps might slightly vary depending on the bank's website design and user interface. If you can't find your account number, don't hesitate to contact your bank's customer service for assistance. Finding your bank account number online is typically a straightforward process, but always remember to be cautious with your personal information and ensure you're navigating a secure, legitimate site. Hopefully, this video has made it clearer and easier for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to manage your online banking responsibly.